A young man identified as Parna Urang, approximately 30 years old, has passed away at the DNB Brick Kiln in the Panisagar waterlogged area. The deceased was from outside the state. According to report, a man detained by locals on suspicion of cow theft early yesterday morning has confessed to a murder, causing a stir in the Dharmatila Bazar area. Around 3 am in the said area, residents apprehended a man identified as Jitu Urang, approximately 60 years old, on suspicion of attempting to steal a cow. During questioning by the locals, Urang allegedly confessed to being the one who killed Parna Urang.
रात में हम निकले हैं।
ईटाभट्टा में है?
हाँ, कल रात में।
कल रात में?
नहीं, आज रात का।
हाँ, ईटाभट्टा में है उधर? पूरा मर गया?
मर गया वो।
क्या चीज से मारा तुम उसको?
हाँ, डंडा से मारा था, मोटा वाला डंडा से।
मर गया?
मर गया। हमको पूछ देता वो लोग वरदान देता है आदमियों को। वो भट्ठा वाला।
तो अभी तुम अकेले आए हो इधर?
अकेले हम भट्ठा में 4-5 आदमी था।
उसका नाम क्या है? 4-5 आदमी क्या?
वो लोग चले गए होकर भाग गया होगा।
नाम क्या? नाम पता?
The confession has sparked widespread excitement and tension in the community. Panisagar police were immediately notified and have since arrived at the scene to take custody of the man and investigate the matter further. The motive behind the murder is currently unknown. Police have not yet released an official statement regarding the incident. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.